Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lisa. This is
Hi,
Joe. And today we're going to be sharing with you our kitchen and dining room makeover. It's not going to be a long video because if you have been watching, you would have seen the progress little bit we've been making. So this is not going to be long. First, I'm going to show you two of the stages of the kitchen before it became this. The first time it was brown, and then there was lockdown, and as a family we decided to do a makeover.
So we painted it gray.
Yeah, so it was all gray.
Gray and red.
At
one point there was red.
Yeah, because I remember we had a bar section here, a breakfast bar section, and
with red
stools.
And here had a red feature wall or something.
Oh, anyway, if you're new to our channel, welcome. It's so good to have you here. We're really pleased that you chose to click on our video. And in case you're new, please do consider subscribing. You'll love it round here. So without further ado, here goes our new kitchen makeover.
Good morning, YouTube family. It is very early morning. Forgive me if my face looks swollen and sleepy. But today is the third day of the kitchen makeover, and I'm going to show you where they're at. This is early morning, so they haven't come yet, but let me show you what they've done so far. So that's where they're at. That's your little mini update, day 3 of kitchen makeover. At the end of today, I'll show you again what it looks like. Hello again, happy gang. Would you like to see day 3, middle of the day update? I know you do, so here goes. Still a mess that side. Kitchen side's coming along nicely. There's the color. It's called reed green. It's similar to sage green, but it's called reed green. So that's your midday update on day 3. Good morning, guys and gals. I'm ready for work for the day. I'm going to leave in about 15 minutes, but I just wanted to show you the state of the kitchen. The workmen are still here. They're still working, but I wanted to show you. One, it is a mess on both sides, the dining area as well as here where the men are working in the kitchen. But let's show you. Let's show you. There's the big mess. Half of this stuff in there and half elsewhere in the house. And there's the sneak peek. That's the pull-up bin that will be there. Top cupboards on already as well. The larder unit in. Just need to fit the drawers. The stove, the oven is in and the stove top is in as well. Just to, you know, tidy up, put the doors on, give it a proper clean, and I think we'll be done. Tell us what you think. What about the color? That green. And also the cupboard. I don't know if it shows well. Yeah. That's green as well. That's green. So 2 different shades of green and then the marble effect. Hope you like it. And that's me for the day. I'm off to work. Hope you have a lovely day yourselves too. Bye. you have come this far, then you have come to the end of the video.
Thank you so much for staying with us.
We hope that you enjoyed this little video showing our makeover of our kitchen and dining room. We love it. They're practical and useful.
What's your favorite part?
Perhaps the bin.
My favorite part is the excess storage that we have.
Oh yeah.
We've taken out the washing machine from the kitchen. We've also
Washing machine,
out
dryer,
dishwasher, so that we can have more storage space. So we have a new laundry room, so that takes care of the rest of it.
So that serves us well. Thank you again. Please do consider subscribing if you have not yet subscribed, and we'll see you soon on another makeover or another trip or something else. Take care. Bye.